Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year. Hoping everyone is having a wonderful session trading. I want to go through two setups that formed yesterday. Let's start with Nasdaq, then we go to gold. Now, last year, before we ended the year, I told you to read this book called Mind Over Markets. It explains a lot of Stacy Burke's concepts. You understand better what the time frame traders are, how the open actually affects the day. Now, yesterday was Monday, so it was day one, and I've incorporated something that I learned from the book, and it's about how the day opens. So the book says there are certain types of days that that coincide with the way the open of the market, the open of the day. Now, please go read it. Now, I'm not going to get deep into what the book says, but the market opened, below here at around 11:530. So that is my reference point of the day now. This is my reference point. And we have our previous day's high, of which the market comes and breaks above but fails to continue. The market breaks down below the open of the day, then retests and continues lower. Alright? So as I come to the screen, I usually come after the first hour is done. I really don't like messing around with the first hour, even though it has great trades sometimes. I like to stick to the second and the third hour. So we've come back again to the reference point, the open. So this is a breakout, pullback. So I'm expecting a continuation. Now, there's a difference between expecting and what the market gives you. So you trade what the market gives you. Now, if it goes with my expectation, well and good. If it does not, I have other instruments. I have gold that I'm also looking at. And if it does not go the way I want, I'm not trading. So I'm expecting the market to fall. So the first hour usually sets the high and the low of the session as usual. There is nothing that has changed from our strategy. The only thing is that now we have a reference point and we have a bigger picture now. As you can see, I'm expecting the market to go down. The first hour sets the high and the low of the session. The second hour at 9:30, the market breaks above. So I know that we are stop hunting. We might be stop hunting other time frame traders. So they go up and then they come down and consolidate. So we have this small peak formation and then we consolidate. Then we break structure. This is where we break structure. When we engulf this bullish candle, that is where we break structure, because now we have our mini M formation, break of structure. Retest for the engulfment at 9:53. Then that is my entry. My stop loss is above the high of the session. Now here at there. And my target is actually the low of the session. And well, I got out at break even, but the market continued lower. As you can see, the market continued lower. So valuable lesson here. It's always good to take the money off the table, but well, Every trading session has its own lesson. So that is Nasdaq. Let's look at gold. Now, with gold, the first thing now, the market opened here below. So that is around 1917, 1918. This is now our reference point. Please read Mind Over Markets. It will help you understand the basic concepts. Now, the market, we have our previous day's high here. The market breaks above and fails to follow through. So, if it fails to follow through, then I know this is a broken down market. They break down, they break below the open of the day and continue lower. And then, in the first hour, so this is a breakout, but my expectation in my head is that we will come back to the high or to the open to continue, well, to stop hunt those who went long, because we are always looking where the money is. Where is the money? The money is up here and down here, but we are already down here. So unless we come to the to this low, I know we'll come back to this low, because this is a low hanging fruit. This is a low hang. Once you see this gap, you see this gap here, we know they must come down there. But also, we are looking at timing. They will come back later at the close of the day. We are trading what the market is giving you, the current information that is giving you. Where is the money? The money is up here, the money is down here. The first hour sets our high and our low of the session as usual. So this is our high of the session above here. But also, I'm working, well, I was looking at the breaking point where if they break out, I know they'll be moving fast. So the market gives us this structure. And then I'm looking at the breakout. Once they broke out, they pulled back and then gave us that bullish candle. I know that is a scalp, because that is a stop hunt, but it's a fast move. You get in and get out. Get in, get your cash, get out. So this is just, well, I am broadening my horizons by the way I am understanding the market. So the trade that I took was on Nasdaq, but I was also looking at gold, and my thesis was right. Well, even though it did not follow through to the open of the day, this was a very good stop hunt for the move down. Now they came down. Now, with our strategy in place, we know that this is a stop hunt to the, since this is our high of the session. So we are looking, this is the break of structure, and then there is our engulfment there at 1022. 1022. Our target will be, even the low of the day. So yesterday the markets were ish. So yeah, the market were not really volatile the way I wanted them to. But yeah, that was my take yesterday. I hope 2023 you're making money. It's all about learning. It's all about every single day learning a lesson from the market. Now, one thing I must tell you is that when you are at the market, you need to be very, very focused. You need to be very, very sharp and be very, very disciplined. Know exactly what you're looking for in the market. If it does not give you that, then, it's time to turn off your computer or your phone or whatever and move on to the next thing. So stay disciplined, stay focused. May the markets go with you. Let's make money. Always take money off the table. That is a lesson I learned yesterday. And I know I will continue learning it because, well, I am a sucker for winners. Anyway, see you in the next video. Peace out.